If you're looking for a quick and easy way to save photos and videos you capture on Instagram to your gallery, follow the steps. Open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile picture icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings page, tap on Account, look for the option that says Original Photos and tap on it. Toggle the switch to enable Save Original Photos. These settings will automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's camera to your device, camera roll or gallery. By enabling these settings, all the photos and videos you capture using Instagram's camera, whether in the stories or posts, will be automatically saved to your device gallery. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.